Question 5 of the January 2021 CSEC Mathematics past paper. What this says here: 60 students took an algebra test which comprised of 15 multiple choice questions. Okay. The number of correct answers for each student obtained is recorded in the table below. So here we have it. We have number of students. If we add these numbers up, they would add up to 60, because the question says 60 students. Alright? We have the number of correct answers. This is saying 6 of them got 8 out of 15. 14 of them got 9 out of 15, and so on. 10 of them got full marks, 15 out of 15. Now, I had already copied parts of the questions over here. Alright? Here. 1. What you should determine is the number of students who got exactly 13 correct answers. Okay. You can, alright, what I want you to do is the usual thing. Pause the video and answer the questions before you watch it. So go ahead. Alright. You did that. Let's look at part 1. You're supposed to find the number of students who had 13, exactly 13 correct answers. So 13 correct answers, number of students, that is 11 of them. Alright? So there you have it. The modal number of correct answers. Now, remember, the mode is the one that is there more often than the others. Alright? Now, if you're not very careful, you might jump to the conclusion that the mode is 15, but that would not be correct. Remember now, modal number of correct answers. Number of correct answers. Here, you look for how many students got that number of correct answers. Remember, when you're looking through, before you put the table together, you will say number of correct answers. Students. Look at how many students got 8 answers correct. So you say 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. That's 6 of them. How many got 10 correct? 10, 10. That's 2 of them. How many got 11 correct? 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. That's 6 of them, and so on. So the mode is the correct answer that is there more often than the others. Look at that. That's 14. 9 would be there 14 times. So the modal number of correct answers would be 14. Or the answer for this would have been 11. This is 14. Alright? Modal number of correct answers. Now the median number of correct answers would be what? Let's get rid of these and look at what's going on here. The median number of correct answers. What is the median? Remember, the median is the value that is there right at the center of the distribution after you arrange everything in order. And if there's an even number of them, there will be 2 of them at the center, and you find the average of those 2. Now, here. Again, it's not these you're going to be using. The multiple choice test just has 15 questions. You must use these numbers, right? So let's write them out in order. You have 2, 2. So you have 2, you have 2. What's the next number in line? That's 6, 6. You have these 2 are gone. This 6 is gone. There's another 6. So that's gone. Next number, 9. So this 9 is gone. Next number is 10. Then 11. And then 14. Good. So they are in order. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So you have 3 to the left and 3 to the right. So these now will give you your median. There are 2 of them in the middle. The median is 6 plus 9 divided by 2. 9 and 6 is what? 15? 15 over 2, which is 7.5. So the median number of correct answers is 7.5. When you're dealing with median and mean, you sometimes end up with some fraction. Or you know, the number of correct answers could not be a fraction, but that's what happens. Alright. So, what else is there? The probability that a student chosen at random had at least 12 correct answers. Alright, at least 12 correct answers would mean 12 is the least. That is 12 or more correct answers. So you're looking at how many students got 12, how many students got 13, how many students got 14, how many students got 15. Now remember, probability would mean how many you want. Alright? The number that you want divided by the number that is there, or the number available. We want number of students with at least 12 correct answers divided by number of students that is there, which is what? 60 students. Alright, 12. Alright, we have, there's only one number of students with 12. Number of students with at least 12 correct answers. Alright, 12 correct answers. There are 2 students with 12. 2 plus, how many got 13? 11 of them got 13 plus, how many got 14? That's 9 plus, how many got 15? That's 10. So the probability is, let's add this, these 13 and 2. 13 and 2 is 15. 15 plus 9 is what? 15, it's 24. 24 plus 10 is 34. 34 out of 60. 2 into 34 is 17. 2 into 60 is 30. So it's 17 out of 30. Just leave it as a fraction. Don't bother to put it as decimal, alright? The fraction is exact. Okay, so there you have that. That's a probability. You could put it as a percentage too. It's 30, I wrote 36. I realize that I wrote 36 is 17 out of 30. 17 out of 30. Right, so that's it. Don't convert it to decimal or percentage, just leave it as a fraction. So there we have that. What else is going on? Let's see. What else? Oh, part B. Hold on there, just to make sure. Go, good. So part B is there. We'll do part B in another video.